Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Audi A4 MMI. If your infotainment system is acting up, freezing, or just not responding, a quick reset can often fix it. We'll cover both the simple soft reset and a more thorough factory reset, helping you get your MMI back to perfect working order. Let's dive into the steps. To perform a soft reset, locate the menu button, the central control knob, and the top right function button on your MMI control panel. Press and hold all three of these buttons down at the same time for approximately 10 seconds. The screen will go black, and then the system will restart. This quick process often resolves minor software hiccups without losing any data. If a soft reset doesn't work, a factory reset might be necessary. Be aware that this will erase all your personal settings, like navigation history and paired Bluetooth devices. To do this, go into your MMI menu, navigate to Settings, and then select Factory Settings or Reset. Confirm your selection, and the system will restart, returning to its default state. If your MMI continues to have problems after these resets, it might be time to check for system software updates or consult a qualified Audi technician for further diagnosis. Always ensure your car's battery has a good charge before attempting any reset procedure to avoid interruptions. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.